Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. I'm really happy that you're here with me today. So this isn't a tutorial per se, as much as just me showing you that I'm putting this quilt together. This is one that I've been working on for literally years. I'd work on it for a bit and I'd set it aside. You know what I mean? So here I'm just taking the little pieces and sewing them together. Now beforehand, I had gone through and I'd done a bunch of hand embroidery on a bunch of them. I have a little video that I can show you all the different embroidery. I'll put a link to it here. But I'm just sewing them all together, and then once I get each row sewed together, I'm going to sew together the columns and just make sure that, everything is laid out nice. Now, I am going to go through with a pair of scissors and snip all of these edges. So the back will be the plain blue jean, and then the front will be where all the designs are. And when I snip all these and wash it, it will make it kind of go fray, and I hope it's going to look very nice. I'm using an embroidery stitch on the edge. So here I have it all sewn together. It's big. It's bigger than I was thinking it was going to be. So I did some more work on this quilt. Oh my goodness, it's quite big. And I decided I'm going to give it to my granddaughter for her graduation. And she loves music. She plays guitar. She sings. So I added a whole bunch of HTV on here, along with all my embroidery. I'm trying to show you all of this, but it's kind of big and heavy. So I just found a bunch of different artists that she likes. And I cut them out on HTV, and then I ironed them on here. And I think she's gonna love it. It's quite big. Yeah. So all I have left to do is finish cutting these apart. So I've started cutting some of them somewhere. I can't remember where I'm at, but I started cutting these, snipping them so that when we wash it, these will fray up nicely and it'll give it a nice rough edge. Now, as far as the back, I just left it the way it is, so you can see the embroidery on the back, and it's okay. It's fine. I'm not putting another back on it, but I think she's gonna really like this. I hope she's gonna really like this. There's a lot of work, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, so I just love this. I do have a little video on not making these little embroidery things, but showing you all of them. There's one of my favorites. So these were all just done by me, by hand. I didn't have any patterns or anything. I found pictures sometimes that I would see online, and I'm like, I can make that. And I tried to put some different little critters, This one's got a butterfly on it up here. Anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy crafting.